Razer Blade Stealth 13-inch. Who is this for? Razer markets the 2019 Blade as more games, more power, more places, as it packs a powerful Nvidia GeForce MX 150 4GB VRAM graphic card and the new Whiskey Lake Intel Core i7 processor inside. Razer also claims to have up to 4 times the performance, increasing gaming and content creation over the previous model of the Razer Blade Stealth with the integrated graphic that is. Something else that Razer states has also caught my attention. Work more, game faster. So, can I actually use this Razer Blade Stealth for work, or is Razer's definition of work content creation / professional gaming? And if so, is this Ultrabook enough? Jens here from All-Star Space. Let's find out. Let's look at the specs of my Razer Blade Stealth quickly. It has a 4K touchscreen, 100% sRGB, 8th generation Intel Core i7 quad-core producing up to 4.6 GHz, 16GB DDR3 RAM, 512GB SSD storage, a 720p webcam with Windows Hello and Razer Chroma backlighting for the keyboard, Windows 10 Home and 4 speakers with Dolby Atmos. It weighs around 1.38 kg and depending on the model it has up to 13 hours battery life. In terms of ports, it offers one Thunderbolt 3, one USB-C, 2 USB Type-A and a headphone jack. I had a Razer Blade for a week now. Unboxing was pretty cool. It really is ultra light and ultra thin, boxy and feels lean. Straight edges with a unibody frame, matte black aluminum. The bezels are super slim, 4.9mm on each side. The top is slightly larger to allow space for the webcam and infrared cameras to offer Windows Hello. Carrying the Blade around is a pleasure. Using it for regular office work, which is my current characterization of employment, is very good. I am a long life macOS user but use Windows in the corporate world, therefore it is not new to me. What I do like is that Razer thought of portability versus desktop experience, starting with the 65-watt USB-C power adapter, which is perfect when traveling on airplanes. The form factor is a blast. The keyboard works and looks magic. Typing on the go is as easy as anything. Another thing I noticed, it is super fast. Opening any application, whether it be Microsoft Office based or Adobe, there is no wait here. When at home or at my desk, I can plug in the Razer Core X eGPU, which I also happen to have. Check out the video above for more info. This makes it a unique setup and device. I strongly believe that modular systems are the future. However, I feel that there are some limitations and I may well not be the target market for the Razer Blade Stealth. I was trying to spice up my corporate life and was about to replace my incredibly boring, very plasticky Dell laptop. In fact, there is no question that I like the Stealth much more than the Dell. However, when living in the corporate world, I need to do a lot of presentations and here it falls short. Not having an HDMI port really limits my Razer Blade Stealth. If I wanted to continue to live the dongle life, I can use my MacBook Pro. I feel that it is half a world away. In a sense, Razer's decision is not bold enough. They could have gone all the way and kept one USB Type-A port if needed in order to go for more Thunderbolt 3 ports. This I would understand, and connection-wise would open up an entire world with those ports. As I mentioned at the beginning, Razer states work more, game faster. It is really for content creators working in Adobe and or gamers who can and want to pay 2,000 euros for this amazing Razer Blade Stealth with a mind-blowing 4K touchscreen. So, what about gaming? Well, it doesn't disappoint and performs as advertised. I was planning to use the Razer Blade Stealth as my daily driver, and when needed my kids can play on it, or I secretly play in Fortnite. Although my kids don't believe me, it is a blast. I am not too bothered about frame rates as the Razer Blade Stealth performs well enough for my liking. Razer has created an incredible Ultrabook with a unibody frame. It feels amazing, it is super fast when working with it. Gaming is really good enough for me. Please bear in mind that when plugged into my Razer Core X eGPU, it is a beast. Currently I'm torn between keeping it or returning the Razer Blade Stealth simply due to the missing HDMI port. And guys, just to reiterate, I may not be the target group of this device, however that doesn't mean I shouldn't enjoy using it. Please leave me a comment and let me know why I should keep or return the Razer Blade Stealth. In any event, my conclusion is short and sweet. The MacBook is no longer alone. Jens here from All-Star Space. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out, see you next time.